Imagine you're a manager at a marketing company and you are required to provide your subordinates a formula to calculate a number, but don't want to reveal the actual data. That's where Excel add-ins come in. See, add-ins are like little packages of custom code that you can use across multiple workbooks. Let's say your team needs to calculate commissions based on their sales data. For that, they would need to know the rate of commission. But as you don't want to reveal this information to them, what do? We will open the VBA editor, create a new function. Let's name it Calculate Commission, which will have sales data range as an attribute. And we will return this whole function as a double. We will use the if-else statement to determine the commission rate based on the total sales. Then multiply the total sales by the commission rate to calculate the commission amount and return that value as the function result. Once you've created the function, you can save it in an add-in file by going to File, Save As. We will call it Calculate Commission. Remember to select Excel add-in.xlam as the file type. Browse to desktop or any location you want to save the file to. To use it, simply open the Excel file with your sales data. Go to Developers, Excel Add-ins, Browse, and select the add-in file. The add-in will now be loaded into Excel and ready to use. Now on your sheet, just type in Calculate Commission, select the sales figure, and voila, you have your commissions calculated. By using Excel add-ins, you can keep your sensitive data safe while still sharing it with others and save time and effort in the process. Give it a try and see how it can revolutionize the way you work with Excel.